Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, it probably means that your WhatsApp account has been banned, and despite submitting an appeal, it was rejected. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a final appeal method that could help you restore your banned WhatsApp account. So stay tuned till the end, and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is visit WhatsApp's official website. Open any browser on your mobile or PC and go to WhatsApp.com. Once the website loads, click on the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Help Center. Scroll down and find the Contact Us section. Click on Contact Us under the WhatsApp Messenger Support section. Enter your banned WhatsApp mobile number, including country code. Provide your email address. This will be used for communication. Re-enter the same email in the Confirm Email Address field. Select the device you use WhatsApp on, Android or iPhone. Now, in the message box, you need to enter a request explaining why you think your ban should be lifted. Click on Next Step at the bottom of the form. Tap on Send Question to submit your appeal. WhatsApp will review your request, and you should receive a response within 24 hours via email. If your WhatsApp account is important to you, make sure to follow these steps properly and wait for a response. If your appeal gets rejected again, you may need to register a new WhatsApp account with a different number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tech tips and solutions. If you have any questions or experiences with WhatsApp bans, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.